Hey folks, Tracy here. I just finished my lower body training. I'll show you what we did, and that is right now a set of pistol squats, Cossack squats, split squats, reverse curl where I hold the gold weight lying on the ground, and Jefferson curl. And then we will do our upper body on Thursday probably. Today's Monday. And now we are going to have some lunch, or at least fairly soon. The awesome fresh baked whole wheat sourdough bread that Don made this morning, and some of my yummy tofu chicken soup, this time with some chickpeas, no noodles. And I'm heating up some Japanese sweet potatoes that I actually baked yesterday with the little round gold potatoes that I roasted, and we ate all of those with burgers that we had last night or yesterday for dinner. And so we did not eat the sweet potatoes, so I'm heating them up to have with our lunch. I'll show you when we are eating, and I will have a separate recipe video up to make that delicious soup that we've been having fairly often, especially this time of year. It's super comforting, warming, and delicious. So hope you enjoy. Give a thumbs up or leave a comment if you're enjoying the video content. If you like these short little exercise training videos, let me know what you think. And have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Is our lunch slash dinner, the awesome chickenless tofu and chickpea chicken flavored soup, and some of Don's awesome homemade whole wheat sourdough bread, and a little Japanese sweet potato, kind of almost like dessert. Whole grains always anchor our meals in macrobiotics. So let's see how it tastes.